Samo stani preko.
Brate matre, evo slika. Evo kreni si.
Čekaj dolje, ne tu.
Joj ga, moram to vidjeti na vas.
Ali sada raširtaj se kišom.
Sad mi kažeš.
Uzak počeo kišom.
Mogu sveći.
Aj se krene. Se bilo strani?
Good morning all. Morning. Well, thank you. We're just the one wreath this morning. Yes, that's fine. Yes, yeah. So after the bugler has played the stand fast at the beginning, I'll just have to give you the indication to go up the way. And you go up the left-hand stairs and lay it in the centre. Come down the other stairs back to the other stairs.
Yeah,
You know, I think you've done that all before.
yeah, that's all right. Yeah, thanks for the
Good morning, everybody.
How are you today?
Yes, very warm welcome.
Up and being wet.
Nice and fresh. Once we have and poultry, I'd like more to move around to the sides so that we end up like in a big semicircle around, and everybody will be able to see and hear, and that kind of creates a better atmosphere by the members. They shall grow not old, as we that are left grow old. Age shall not weary them, nor the years condemn. Going down of the sun, and in the morning, we will remember them, lest we forget. It's now my pleasure, on behalf of the State President of the RSL, Mr. Bill Gaynor, OAM RFD, to invite the Warden of the State War Memorial, Mr. Ken Barrington, to welcome you.
Thank you, Philip. Mr. Milan Rakovac, I hope that's correct. President of the Association of the RYA and Movement of the SC Combatants Drazi Mihailovicu, WA, other Serbian national organisations in WA, distinguished guests, members of the organisations present today, as State Warden for this memorial precinct, and on behalf of the State President of the Returned and Services League of Australia, it is with great pleasure that I welcome you here today to commemorate your war dead, including the death of the late General Drazi Mihailovicu, who fought bravely for freedom and democracy in the World War. It is gratifying to see that you, as an association, are able to assemble to pay tribute to those who paid the supreme sacrifice. May I take this opportunity to wish you a well and successful commemorative day. Thank you.
Now my pleasure to invite Mr. Joseph Persick to address you. When the will defies fear, when duty throws the gauntlet down to fate, when honour scorns to compromise with death, that is heroism. Today we honour the memory of General Drazi Mihailovicu, the faithful Allied commander and the first anti-Nazi leader in Europe. His heroic and often lonely struggle against the twin tyrannies that afflicted Europe and his people, Nazism and communism. Both these represent the death of freedom to the Serbian people. General Mihailovicu became a symbol of resistance to all those across the world that have had to fight a similar battle. Today we honour General Mihailovicu, a patriot, a brave soldier and a gallant ally of every nation that went to war in the early 40s to destroy the tyrannies that sought to enslave our world. On May 1941, Drazi Mihailovicu organised the first guerrilla force not only in Yugoslavia, but the first in Europe. And for the first time on record in the countries of enslaved Europe, a new way of opposing the conqueror was brought into effect. Germany became alarmed.
General Dankelman, the German military governor of Serbia, asked for reinforcements. The German general attempted to arrange an armistice with Mihailovic, but the latter laid down certain conditions. He agreed to receive the German envoys. Nevertheless, his terms proved unacceptable to the Germans. I demand, he said, that the German troops evacuate my country and then peace will be restored. As long as a single enemy soldier remains on our soil, we shall continue to fight. The Germans succeeded in recruiting legionnaires and volunteers for service with the Wehrmacht amongst almost every conquered and satellite people in the world. Yet, the Serbs never contributed a single military unit in support of the enemy. German reprisals were savage and horrific against the Serbian civilian population. A letter was sent to the German General Bader by General Mihailovic. A year and a half has elapsed since I undertook the life and death struggle to exterminate the invaders of our soil. Our fighting spirit is based on our traditional love of liberty and our unflinching faith in the victory of our allies. For every German soldier killed or missing, you ordered the shooting of 50 to 100 innocent and defenseless Serbs. I wish to draw attention to the fact that the day of judgment is not far off. I warn you that if you continue to use savage reprisals, I will use the same measures against German soldiers. General Mihailovic received congratulations and thanks from the Allied commanders, General Eisenhower, General Opniklek, Air Marshal Tedder, Admiral Harwood and General de Gaulle emphasized the importance of his help. General Mihailovic is no more. He has departed this world convinced that he was abandoned by the Allies. The voices that were raised abroad in his defense were not allowed to reach him, and he died without the satisfaction of knowing that in the opinion of many, he died an innocent man and a great soldier. General Mihailovic is no more, but the legends of his heroic deeds are becoming more and more popular, and they live in the hearts of the people. General Mihailovic is no more. He has departed this world. Those who murdered him have not only perpetrated a crime, they have also committed a grave mistake. For democratic public opinion is well aware of General Mihailovic's merits. General Mihailovic is no more. The last words of this great patriot were concise and poignant. He said, "I strove for much, I undertook much, but the gales of the world have carried away both me and my work." On March 29, 1948, American President Harry S. Truman awarded the Legion of Merit to General Drazi Mihailovic. In his speech, he said, "Through the undaunted efforts of General Mihailovic and his troops, hundreds of United States airmen were rescued and returned safely to friendly control. General Mihailovic and his forces, although lacking adequate supplies and fighting under extreme hardships, contributed materially to the Allied cause and were instrumental in obtaining a final Allied victory. As long as there are patriots in any nation, the name of General Mihailovic will be remembered and revered. Glory to the fallen, lest we forget their sacrifices." Slava.
As we are now blessed with sunshine rather than rain, we can continue with your normal practice, and I invite the warden to take your president and officials and very briefly meet the subwardens.
That's it.
You just stand fast for a moment whilst the subword is dismounted. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes your remembrance service today. Those of you, since it is such lovely sunshine at the moment, those of you who would like to go onto the memorial and have a closer look at that absolutely beautiful wreath that you have laid this morning, or simply to go up there and look at the marvellous view from this absolutely ideally located war memorial, then you are all very welcome to do so. Enjoy your day.
Thank you.